there's another iPad out, 7th generation. Wow, let's have a look. Alright, there's a new iPad apparently, like the 7th generation. So this is kind of a big upgrade, and we're gonna have a look at a few features on it. Number one is the big screen. So this was the last iPad which was on its legacy, the normal sized iPad which was on its legacy size, the 9.7 inch. So this one now finally has jumped to the Pro sizes. This is a 10.2 inch display, nice and big. It's really sharp, like, but not the iPad Pro kind of display. It's still a Retina normal display. So this should be a good upgrade. Like, for the same price, you get more real estate, so yeah, why not? In terms of the chip, it's still got the A10 Fusion chip, which I think, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, this is from the iPhone 7. It's been used in other devices as well, like the Pros as well. Not even in the Pros, like the iPads before. I'm a bit surprised, but like, it's fine. This iPad is not aimed at the Pro market. This is A10 is a good chip. Don't doubt it. It's gonna be powerful. So yeah, it's got the A10 Fusion. Good for games, arcade coming up. Should be able to play some really cool games. Cool. This has the new smart connector, which the iPad Pro owners are quite used to. These are the 3 dots at the back. So this is going to have its own smart cover, smart keyboards and accessories coming up as well. Great to have it for people who can't or don't want to go to the iPad Pro, can't afford it. This is a good ecosystem to have, a cheaper alternative to the Pro, which is several £100 or dollars more than a normal iPad. So yeah, it's got the new smart connector. Pencil support is there as well. Still generation 1, still you have to stick it to the side and charge it. Not the best way of doing it, but still it's a beautiful pencil. It works, compatible, so no excuses for anyone to like say I can't draw or anything. You can definitely buy the pencil extra. It is sold separately, so you can then use it if you're into the creative arts or if you just want to scribble stuff. Pricing is the same. Body and the colors are generally the same, except for the bigger size, obviously because of the 10.2 inch display. I'm going to leave the links to the device down in the description if you want to have a look, if you want to buy it, or just see what the prices are to you, locally to you. And let me know what your thoughts are about this iPad. I know it's another iPad, and a lot of people already have iPads. They don't generally upgrade, so let me know what your thoughts are about it, and like if you're gonna get it, if it's exciting, or you think Apple's gonna change it again. Like or dislike, it's up to you. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please like it, and also subscribe to my channel. Videos are coming, more Apple stuff, more Android stuff, more PC stuff. I am gonna start a gaming channel soon as well. Stay tuned. So yeah, just stay in touch, please subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. See ya.